There's a natural rhythm to the body and mind, so that we want alternating periods of very intense or energetic activity and then rest. We want to do something playful and running around, and then we want to do something quiet and sitting down. So this kind of rhythm in the body and mind is what you have to tap into to make a timetable for your child. Make it such that there are alternating periods of different kinds of activity, and then the child will follow it very smoothly. And you have to be a bit imaginative. Sometimes introduce a little surprise that today this is what's going to happen. Maybe it's something you cook or somewhere you take them. Not that it should become an established pattern, but use it as a device to inject some interest in having a timetable on the part of your child.